The time has come to replace my old yellowed racking bathroom vent with a new one. Now this was sent to me by Review. It looks very similar, but I can tell this isn't the same 1980s version that's on my ceiling right now. This is a clean, shiny, white plastic. I know that the design of the vents here have been upgraded, definitely since mine was installed to maybe 3 decades ago. Very low profile. This is the 12 by 12 inch model, and that model does come with these extra springs, and these ones are already in place, ready to go. Let's get this puppy installed. Installing this was honestly so simple. You take those little spring things there and you squeeze them together. Inside your exhaust vent, you'll see this little slot right here. I'm trying to show you with the camera. It's a tight fit. You pinch together the springs and stick them in there. It really just slides the cover into place. From there, you just gently make sure that the exhaust cover is angled correctly, you know, no strange angles to the wall because it can kind of be tilted a little bit. And then turn on the fan, check it out, and you are good to go.